Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to grant access in Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To grant access to users in Salesforce, you can manage their access to various records, objects, and permissions in multiple ways depending on your needs. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the gear icon setting that says Setup. Click that button, and you would be forwarded here in this interface. I want you to hover your mouse to the quick find and type in Profiles. Alright, click on it. Now here, when you click that, you need to select the profile you want to update. All right, so is it going to be the analytics cloud integration users, the end users, and a lot more. And of course, from here, you can grant access to any of these. For example, it's going to be a standard user. I want you to click on edit. Now, all you have to do is check all the boxes that you wanted to grant permission. Right, you have all these: default on, alt size. You can even overwrite users' personal tab customizations. And once you're happy with that, all you have to do is click on save. All right, so this is going to be one way. Again, hover again to the profile section, and you have all these information that you wanted to extend the permissions of a user beyond their profile. And of course, you can assign this profile through their user record. If you add a new, you can put in a name, for example, this one, click on save, and that's it. That's one way. All right. Now, another option that you can do is go again to the quick find option and click the sharing settings. You see that? I want you to click on it. And of course, from here, just choose the object for which you want to create a sharing rule. Now, there's a lot that you can work with. You see, there's going to be a lead, account, contract and order, contact, asset, opportunity, campaign, and campaign member. But if you wanted to give permission or access to the user, all right, so you have all these. You can put in all the objects or specific kind of sharing settings. I want you to click on edit, and from here you can have the specification for the access level. Is it going to be read only, private, read only, and a lot more. And click on save. All right. And of course, by combining all of these methods, you give flexibility and control over data access in Salesforce account. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.